Hello, a quick one here using Butterscotch from Gel Perfection. It looks like Butterscotch Angel Delight. If you haven't had it, you haven't lived. That's going in the lamp. I'm going to do 2 coats of that. I'm popping some foil it on my palette. I'm now wiping the tacky layer of the butterscotch and giving it a quick buff because I want the foil I'm going to use to stick only to the foil gel. So I'm making sure there's no chance of any sticking to a tacky layer. I'm using the foil gel here just to create some leopard spots with a dotting tool. Again, like the dots we did for the flowers in a video the other day, you want to take the drunk baby approach to these spots. I might coin that, the drunk baby technique. This is rose gold holographic transfer foil, and that's sticking to the foil gel. There's a discount on everything at the moment on diamondglitters.co.uk, so head over there to grab yourself some goodies. Holo holo. I'm now taking Blackout, and just with the detailer brush, I decided to do the sort of scratchy? That's not what it's called, but the sort of scratchy looking leopard print here, as opposed to when you draw sort of smooth, neat lines. I hadn't done this before, so it was the first time trying it. It looks alright, did an okay job, not the best. So yes, just going around all of those with little short, sharp strokes. I did do this video yesterday, but I ballsed it up and wasn't happy with the end result. I filmed it, I did the voiceover for it, I'd edited it, and then was about to upload it and thought, no, not happy. So just redid it quickly just now. Carrying on there, I've got a bit out of focus, sorry. Just doing these sort of scratchy detailing here. Pokey, pokey, poke. And once that's done, I flash cure it just for about 10 seconds because I'm then going to add a bit more detail again with Blackout. So this is going to have a 10-second cure, and then we'll add some more bits and bobs. So I'm just doing some little circles and dots and squiggly shapes. No perfect shapes or anything here. This one goes awfully wrong, but never mind. So adding some dots and doodads, and then that will have a full cure. Excuse my hands, and my nails are awful because I've been washing them just so much. That's having diamond gloss, so the blackout was cured. That's diamond gloss, that will go in the lamp, and then you're done. Another nice, quick, easy design, but ooh, look at the halo. I hope you like it. I hope you're keeping safe and staying in. Subscribe to my channel for lots more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.